Good morning to all of you. My name is Sushant Kumar Prasad. I am batchmate Siddharth Kumar Bose and Rajesh Kumar Yadav. My topic is the regenerative braking system in Metropolitician. Recently, we are using the turbine and the dynamometer for the production of electricity by the trade, and that energy we are using the Metropolitician and some other applications. But in my project, I am using the capacitor. When the brake is applied in the train, due to the moment of inertia, the battery is motor has become a generator and it is storing the energy. And now I explain my partner.
In our project, we are using regenerative braking to create power, back from the motor, where the motor acts as a load. In our experiment, the motor would be acting as a generator, so that it would be feeding back to our load. The load will be fed by the capacitor, through which we will glowing the LED. LED now acts as a load. So my friend would demonstrate the kit.
Come here. This is my kit. This is the embedded system. This is the power supply for 230 to 12 volt. We are using two transformers, and this one is 15015. This transformer is used for the embedded kit, and this is DC motor. This is our mechanical kit, and this is the rating of my motor, 12 volt DC supply. And when we are applying the current, when we are applying the power, it's moving on. But and when I cut the power, then this is the ultra capacitor. The whole amount of energy is transferred to the ultra capacitor, and this is the small load of my project. And whatever how it depends on the energy of the ultra capacitor is going to depend on the how much we are applying the brake. And my small component, I am using the LED light. In train we are using the AC cooler and lighting purpose in the train. And cut.